what's up, guys? We're back with another video. Bueno, guys, we already went to the shop. Like I said in the other video, we went to the shop, changed the tires. We're already back over here. We're actually kind of late. And guys, what can I say? Today, as Thursday, they won, I think, 4 or 5 trucks to go in the burnout pit. They told me if I was ready, guys, and I told them, you know what? I was born ready, guys. So, ahorita en un ratito, after all these cars go in, we're going to be putting in this mamalona, or like 4 or 5 of the trucks. I think it's la de las trocas on the gas, y la de Freddy, y la troca de los compas de Church of LA. So, se va a hacer un desmadre ahorita, guys. So, let's go look at the burnouts that they're doing right now. Vámonos. I'm a little tired right now because I just ran from the hooligan booth over here. We're about to fuck this one up right now, guys. Like I said, the motor's stinking on this one already, the one we put in there. But we're about to fucking blow right now, so. Fuck, I fucking ran. I'm tired. Let's run right now.
Sexy.
Woo!
Wait. Welcome once again. Let's hear it. One on a count of three, make some noise. 1, 2, 3.
Thanks to my boy John. He's the one that fucking helped me and told me, you know what? I'm gonna put you out there and bring some trucks. Hell yeah, bro. I appreciate it. Thank you. Thank you. Hell yeah. Fuck this fucking guy. Those fucking cars are looking like motherfuckers.
He's the guy in charge. He's just here. You're not sign the waiver to get in here. Yeah, you're not supposed to.
Leave it? Hey, that's how it goes, bro.
Yeah.
Like, I was like, first in the room, but I think we're
I think that was when first in this my truck.
Bueno guys. Look at the little aftermath of the Malona. After this little 4A put in work, we had to fix some stuff on it, but at the end, it worked. Valió verga, el pinche wrap. I'm about to hit up my boy Sublime Wraps to come and fucking wrap the piece up again. Miren guys cómo quedó el pinche rin. Miren guys, pinche mamalona está toda sucia. Fuck, but it's part of the show, guys. It's part of the show. The back looks nice. Oh shit, I broke the light. Where the fuck did the light go? Damn, the light came off. Oh my god, just noticed that shit. God damn, mira también esta pinche llanta valió madre. No tire on the side. But look at guys, the aftermath of La Mamalona. Así quedó. Mira, oh, I forgot I actually put it on the wall. And I fucked up the front, look. Oh shit, Sublime Wraps, you got my back or what? We're gonna have to wrap this bitch up again. What the fuck, the bumper fell? Valió verga. The bumper's loose. Oh shit. Bueno guys, no pasa nada. Estas cosas es parte del show. Las madreamos, las arreglamos, and back into this madre again. Hell yeah. Well. Look what's going on over here, guys. As you guys remember, this truck got blown. We got second shift right now. Huh, Diego? Second shift? A todo lo que da. You gonna blow this one up tomorrow or what?
Shit, we'll see what happens.
Is this Burnout will swap it again, huh?
Hopefully not, but we'll swap it again, but not right here. Fuck that.
Is that your mechanic right there, bro?
Oh,
This one auto's the one that fucking
that's the number one.
swapped that one over there, huh? Hey, mechanic. He on break? It's all what? What did you say?
It's all in the science.
It's all in the science. Bueno, guys, aquí está el pinche motor del SS. The good thing that it did not break, like it did not open to the side, no se abrió. That's the good thing. We could still try to save this motor, but not it leaked the oil, huh? No, it didn't. It didn't. No, it didn't. So we're still gonna try to fucking save this motor.
Hey, Simo said to send it, so we send it.
Simo said to send it, so we send it. That's right. What's up, Diego? You gonna let me have the motor for what?
You want it?
I'm gonna bore it out.
Take that motherfucker. I don't give a fuck.
Damn, guys, the other one's already in. And tomorrow you guys are going to see it. Well, on the next video, desmadre. Desmadre.
Después te voy a llevar al hotel.
¿Ah?
¿No?
¿Me vas a llevar al hotel? ¿Para qué? Vámonos ahorita. Vámonos.
Espérate, estoy second shift.
Hazte para allá, güey, esa es mía, güey.
Oh.
Supervisor aquí a todo.
Se enojó. Acá la celosa, güey, te habla.
Supervisor a todo lo que da.
Hell yeah. What happened? ¿Te van a correr el trabajo? Mira, ese güey está robando la soda ya. No mames. Look, guys, we even fucking went to go buy a engine hoist from, where was it, O'Reilly's? No, from where? Harbor Freight. Oh, yeah, Harbor Freight. We borrowed it to, get our money back? Guys, life hack. That's a life hack, huh? Life hack. You guys want to borrow stuff, just go get it real quick, buy it, and then el que no tranza no avanza. That's right. So life hack, guys. If you guys need to borrow real quick, just go to Harbor Freight, buy it, and then take it back, and just get your money back. Either way, guys. Nah, no se crean, guys. We don't do that because then later on they're going to say y'all niggas are broke. Nah, guys, I'm actually sponsored this one to Diego right here.
Another one to the collection.
Another one to the, how many you got, like 10? Look at this guy, siempre se la pasa tragando el güey. Look at him. I'm hungry, fool. I'm hungry, but you know, look at him. Oh my God, he loved the bone. Look at him. Oh shit, that fool came out straight in the background way. Bueno, guys, aquí a tragar se ha dicho con esos cabrones. Alright, guys, so it's a little 4.8 que le metimos. Yeah, I had a little knock here and there, guys, but shout out to my boy Otto, you know, and my cousin Ricky. They switched out some parts of the motor. I don't know what the hell was it, guys. I wasn't there because I was sleeping because I'm tired. Shout out to them, actually, for swapping the whole motor. And guys, I'm gonna put their Instagram right here, both of their Instagrams are here, guys, so you guys give them a follow. And if you ever guys need any work done or something, you know, they're not, I don't know, they're not professional. I just kidding, guys. They get down all the work, you know, whatever they do, they get down. So I'm gonna put the Instagrams right here, guys. You can just give them a follow. And if you guys have any questions, y'all can hit them up. And what can I say, guys? I want to give a big shout out to my boy Califab for hooking me up with that little motor. And the little 4.8 is actually holding up. And like I said, he told me, you know what? I dogged the fuck out of it. I took out the motor and I actually sold the truck. But the motor's there. If you want it, what's up? But you know, I got you. So shout out to my boy Califab, guys. And well, guys, what can I say? Tired, hungry, all above, guys. But more actually tired. So I'm gonna put the food to the side today, and I'm gonna just rest out. But with this said, it's gonna be that for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to comment, like, and subscribe. We out.